Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Llévame a la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Llévame a la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Llévame a la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it
What's up, guys? Damn it, man. I tried to get a fill there. Couldn't get it. Now look at it dump. Why? Why, oh, why? Could have started with profits out the gate. What's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. Today, we're going to give away 5 MyFundedFutures accounts. I'm going to go ahead and take a 10K payout out of Apex, more than likely. Live on stream. And we're going to try to get a trade in. Also, we can review today's video as well. All right, let me get to chat here, guys. Let's see, what do we got? Who's in the house today? Trader's Nest, what's up, man? Trader 007, Joyous in the house. Profit per tick. Just ain't right. Colin Dresser, Bushido, what's up, man? Omnius Trading, Face CTX. Jarius, what's up? Garani Trades, what's going on, my man? Boys dealing with some congestion stuff here, man. I sound funny as hell. I don't know what we got going on. If it's a cold or allergies or a mix of both, I have no freaking idea. Trammy, hey. Ren, what's up? Meta Crypto. Carice, yo, yo, yo. Joyous, yeah, another one, another live stream because we got 5 MyFundedFutures accounts to give away. I won't do anything for this, though. It will taste good. It would taste good. Oh, give me a second here. Got to log into my Apex. Just finished dinner 10 minutes ago. Oh, what the hell? I still need one more payout? One more day? Damn it. I thought today was day 8. I miscounted. Seriously? Or, well, it's 6:04 p.m. Maybe it hasn't fully updated. I could have sworn today was day 8. I'm going to give it a little while and then I'll refresh again. I could have sworn today was day 8, bro. Yeah, wait. What the frick hell? Yeah, I don't think they, I don't, well, what the frick? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's updated. Yeah, I don't think it's updated. That's what it is. I don't think it's fully updated yet, the dash. All right, so let's get back to this. Yeah, it looks. Hey, the Beast, what's up, my man? Yeah, it doesn't look like it's been updated yet, so I'll refresh later on. Nice, Tony. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Yours hasn't updated either. Happy all the time. Yo, I love the screen name. Any word on the eval ban removals? I think they're just trickling it out. Some people are getting it, some people are not. Jab Wolf, what's up? What's up? Are you trading crude with this volatility? I have not. I pretty much just trade NQ. Just looking for a quick scalp here. I'm not looking for a whole lot of action. Oh, well, freaking A. No, stop. Damn it. Now I'm short 2 of these monsters. What the hell happened there? Freaking stop's a little tight. All right, we're going to take one off there. Now we're, now we can breathe a little. All right, so short from 86.25. I'm not looking for a whole lot, just looking for a little profit to start the evening off. Yeah, you saw that, the beast? He just went berserk out of nowhere. All right. Ooh. $198, $200 to start the stream off. Let's go. $200. $200. I only need. What do we need here, Justin? I made over $1,000 in this account this morning. I only need $625 more. If I can make $625 tomorrow, Monday, I will put in. Wait. Six, 7, 8. Oh, I'd still need to trade on Monday, day 8 on this account, and then I'll put in a $2,000 payout on it. That'll put me at 30 on the month. They already approved 18. You love the music? Nice. Took your advice along with the Wall Street guys, man. And man, I caught life back to back, 30-60 points. With a 1.6 RR and then the eval $2,600 yesterday. Nice. Congrats. Anyone on new Apex and got paid? I've seen a bunch of people getting paid recently on the new Apex stuff. You're in the future, my man. Do I scalp? Yes. Hey, do you know how the MAE rule works on the old Apex accounts? And if you violate it, hold on, man. I got a whole ass video for you. I got an entire video made just for you. All right, guys. So I'm going to be giving away 5 MyFundedFutures rapid plans today. I'm going to be giving them away in various different ways. Just gonna do them however I want, honestly. Like, I could just randomly pick somebody just to win from the comment section. At least one of them. What is Apex? Here you go. Apex, MAE, legacy account rules. Here you go, bro. 2 days away from payout. Nice. If it takes longer, exactly, so be it. Apex pays really fast on the new plans. Yo, scalping trades. 50% consistency rule is awesome. Better than 30, that's for sure. If you're broke, you shouldn't be trading. I'll tell you right now. If you're broke, stop trading. Go get your house in order And this isn't like a dig at you. This is just, you can't make it in trading if you're broke. All that bull crap that people sell you on YouTube. I was broke. I was down to my last $300. And look at me now in my Lambo. I started trading Forex. I started trading futures, this or that. It's nonsense. Bull crap. It's lies. Don't believe it. It's bullshit. If you're broke, get your financial house in order. Get your discipline on track. And then come back to trading. Trading is difficult enough as it is to be doing it from a broke standpoint. It's just going to make it that much harder, having all that stress on you. Oh, but I excel under stress. Yeah, me too, until you break. And trading is not the place to push like that in that way. Nope. You won't really hear many people tell you that on YouTube. It doesn't get views and it doesn't get them to you. It doesn't get you to use the coupon code. Yep, I trade Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, and Apex the most. 30% consistency rules on the legacy accounts. Oh, okay, good. I've seen people, you know what I mean, scalping trades that are in that situation and they still go after it and they get more broke. Not good, man. And then they say, oh, trading's rigged. No, it's not rigged, bro. It's that you just set yourself up for failure. A beast. Thank you. How do you counter intraday drawdowns? You see profit, you take it. Scalp your way to a cushion. Winner, chicken dinner. Guarani Trades. You just want a rapid account. Email me. info@thedaytraderchatroom.com with your email. We got 4 more accounts to give away today. For real, Bluesy. Yo, my pleasure, Gurani. Gracias. Gurani, let me know when you sent that email, bro, so I can confirm with you. And make sure to give me your email address from MyFundedFutures. Oh, I passed 2 Apex evals today. I just got notification of one of them passed. Let me go see if I can put in for payouts now. Nah, not yet. Not updated. I have not. There is not a single response that can be done. I'll watch it probably. Might make for another good video. There's not a single response that could exist on the face of this planet that you're going to tell me that that's a live account. That's bullshit. I heard somebody tell me on the comment section, oh, I have a TraderBait live account and it says demo on it. What? Look, man, I'm not going to show you guys my damn live account because I'm not going to put my live account number out there. But hold on, you know what? Let me log into my TraderBait. Let me see how I can maybe do something. I admire the asking, but no, I'm sorry. That's not how it works. I don't have a new firm I'm going to partner with. Where did you hear that, Joy? I actually had a firm approach me, Funded Next, again, and I checked with the community, see how they like them. They don't like them very much. So I told them, nah. Community doesn't really like you guys, so I'm not gonna get involved with you right now. You know, if you can fix your PR and your rules or whatnot, whatever the hell people don't like about him, I don't know what people don't like about him, then maybe. But no. I'm already, my slots are full. I got 10 firms I'm working with. I could be like these other people out there that got every single firm under the sun with their codes on them, but I don't like to do that, you know? Oh, okay, Joey, gotcha. No, we got 10 firms. So right now, not looking to add any others. It'd have to be a really, really good firm, you know? And they'd have to probably sweeten the pot a little. Left and right. Mama investor, left and right. You sent over the emo Garani trades? Let's go take a peek. Oh, it's gonna probably be in my spam box. Got it, bro. Look at this in my spam box. Jesse, we want to work with you. Hi, Jesse. I'd greatly appreciate hearing back from you if you need any help with... Oh, okay. This is video editing. I thought it was one of those firms that always end up in my spam box. I do have an email regarding plus 500 I'm going to have to get back to. I mean, TradeAvate don't want to send me an email, and I'll have to look at plus 500. TradeAvate, if you're watching, your boy's been using you for years. Always said you were awesome. I don't know. What's your 10 best prop firms? I guess the ones you're working with. I mean, if you want to add an 11th, you could add Top Step in there. I don't work with them. But the firms... I'm sorry, guys. My nose is super stuffy, man. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, E8, Bulanox, MyFundedFutures, Tradeify, Futures Desk, and Purity Capital. That's wild, Joy. Bushido. Yeah, Bushido. Top people right there. Coupon code all caps JESSEW. All right, so we already given away one MyFundedFutures. This stream is not going to be as long as my usuals, just because I can't take this damn stuffiness anymore, guys. Already got one trade in. Well, since it's still today, and I already traded this account today, here's the total P&L, 1,271. But the trade that we just did now in the afternoon, the first contract I sold, I was actually a loser for 50 bucks. Okay. The second contract, we made $255 on. How do you win? You don't have to do anything to win. It's random. Some people I'll just shout out your name and because I felt like it, and then other people we're gonna do like a random comment picker, and who knows what other fun stuff we might come up with as we go. I got no plan. I treat these giveaways like I treat my trading goals of the month. Hey Jesse, what are you trying to make this month? I don't know. Whatever the market lets me make. That's literally how I do it. Forget it. Having goal stuff on the month. Oh, I gotta make $20,000 a month. That's nonsense. You're at 19,000. You're at 18,990 by the last week of the month, and you're like, oh, I gotta get to 20. You know, I need that extra 1,200 bucks or 1,100 bucks, and then you blow up the account. That's dumb. All right, hold on. I'm logging into my personal account here. Let me see if there's a way. Oh, my nose is killing me. privacy. Okay, first of all, you could just click privacy mode and it automatically takes your account number away. So you don't have to do all that squiggly line bullshit that he did. You don't have to do that. And that's it. There's no other way. There's no other way for this, for them to have been coming up with that story of, oh, like the guy told me in my comment section, oh, that it's, you know, it's a thing on there and it automatically looks like demo, but it's not. It's really a live account. Bull crap, bro. That guy. All right, let me tell you. Let me give you a comparison, because that guy in the comment section of my video today, like, he really pissed me off. All right, I fired my gardener about 2 years ago because he pissed me off in a similar fashion. What's that similar fashion, you may ask? Thinking that I look like a dumbass, right? My gardener comes out and he's like, yo, I know I trimmed those 10 trees you have back there, some palm trees. I usually trim them for like, I think it was like $15 or something like that. But bro, I'm gonna have to charge you $30 a piece. I looked at him, I go, bro, you nuts? What do you mean $30 a piece to trim the trees? He's like, yeah, bro, they charge 180 out there on the street, 120. I was like, bro, are you crazy? He's like, yeah. Don't ever come here again. This guy had been with me for 1 billion years. Don't ever come here again. You're done here. A couple blocks away, my parents lived there. I picked up their gardener. There's the whole ass property for like $50. And then he does my rental property too, down like a few blocks away for like $35 or $30. Like, are you kidding me, bro? No, dude. So this guy in the comment section today, he's like, oh yeah, bro, I'm gonna have to go find the comment. Bro, yeah, because on the Tradeovate, you know, I have a live account there and it can look like a demo. I was like, what? I was like looking over my shoulder, looking for Ashton Kutcher to just pop out, say I'm being punked. What? Vice 1919. Yes, I do trade options, swing trade primarily whenever I do them. I have a put option trade that I've had for like a month now on the SPY. Looking like it should finally start paying out really good. Bushido. Not even, you don't have to. It was like, this guy's like, bro, what? Look, I'll give you another example. I have 2 gates out front, okay? And one gate never had a motor because nobody drives through there. I only drive the boat out through there, stuff like that, once in a blue moon, because you know the boat lives on the lift at the other house in the Keys. Anyway, this gate's motor was acting up. So I contacted some guys on Facebook Marketplace. This MFer tells me $15.75 to replace that motor, okay? And add another motor over there, $15.75 again. So $15.75 just to replace one. Then $15.75 for a whole ass brand new install. I was like, that doesn't sound right, good sir. I contacted the guy that did my motors in the Keys, because I got gates over there too. I gated everything up. Even my rental property has gates. And I contacted him, and I'm like, yo, bro, this is what's going on. This is what I want. This is what I need. I measured everything out and everything. He's like $2,400 for everything out the door. Stainless steel chains, not the garbage that, you know, is normally used that you had on before. I was like, bet, come on, do it. 24 hours later, he was here doing the motors. Like, bro, come on, man. You can't BS me, dude. You can't. Like, nobody's exempt, right? You can be BS. I can be BS. Like, somebody can trick me. I've been tricked. I was tricked once that I remember in the last 10 years, and it was with a marketing company on an old business I had, CBDOilconnection.com. I was one of the very first CBD oil retailers in the nation. Anyways, the marketing company screwed me out of $3,400. Whatever. The point is, it's very difficult to BS me. And if you think you got one over on me, believe me, I'm letting it happen because I have something planned. The music, I have everything in this little playlist that I set up for today. Everything, because I like all types of music. I'm serious. All types of music. You gotta know the punk reference. I was wondering how many people got the punk reference as I was saying it. The beauty of having an ADD mind. Anyways, guys. No, I can't. So, hold on. Yeah, no, I can't make it happen. So, and I'm not going to share my account number on here for my actual trading, my live account. But you can't do what that guy was BSing about, so. out of that. All right. Okay, so the payout, I mean the accounts haven't updated yet. At least not on my chart. They haven't updated yet. So keep waiting a little bit there. All right, what's up here? Do you share your playlist anywhere? No, this is a website I pay like a yearly fee, and I have music that I can use for streaming and videos and stuff and not get copyrighted. Not that it matters because YouTube pays garbage. So but I just hate seeing the little copyright logo on my damn dashboard when I get copyrighted. My coupon, of course, Studebaker. Here, hold on. Let me get it for you. It's 80% off right now. All right, so you're liking the music, huh? I'm glad. They like payout, we see. Yeah, but you know what? I haven't done 1 month live, so I'm gonna do it. Yo, the boogeyman's in the house. What do you think about MFF Rapid Plan? Rapid account? I think it's good. You know, it's fine. You get your payout, just put it in your pocket. This is what I tell everybody, you know. Are there other stuff that's better? Probably, but I guess it depends what angle you look at it and which, you know, what your end goals are. So, but you know, if you can qualify for the payout, put it in your pocket fast. I don't understand why people try to build these huge buffers in these accounts. Let me see something here. All right, so the 50K rapid plan. You got a 90-10 split, 0 activation fee on all sizes, daily payouts, no daily loss limit, so that's always nice. End of day, so that's great. Trade up to 5 contracts in the eval and the sim funded with 10-to-1 micro scaling. Okay. 50K is 3K profit target, 2K drawdown, end of day, 5 contracts, 10-to-1. You got a 50% consistency rule on the eval. No consistency rule on the funded. Damn, I kind of like it a lot. I like it more than I thought I would have. I'm sure that there's something in the back end that'll kind of limit the payouts or something. Let me see how I can dig that up. Because I know on the pros, you can take out like $100,000 if I'm not mistaken. That's why I have a pro. I have never taken $100,000 out of one of these accounts. In fact, I have never been on a better stint of trading as I am right now. Let me get back to chat real quick. Well, damn, Boogeyman, coming from you, that means a crap ton. Seriously, that means a ton. Says you're the most honest in the space. Gotta give you your flowers, man. It's what I'm always telling people, bro. You just put it all out there, bro. Ain't not a damn thing to hide. You know, you just put it there and you do with it what you will. That's probably why I don't have 150 billion subscribers, because I'm not out here selling the Lambo dream. I could literally go buy myself a little Lambo right now. I used one, couple 100K, boom, put it in the driveway and do a cool video. But that shit just sounds like more work than it's worth. Maybe one day. And even then, I'll still be like, yo, you ain't gonna buy these accounts and in 6 months get this Lambo. It's just not happening that way. Yeah, Flex is looking pretty damn flexy. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Man, there's been so many changes recently that it's even become difficult for me to keep up with. Like, and I mean across the board with all the firms, it's become difficult to keep up. So I gotta look things up often in the moment, because I can't. There's not enough. There's not enough space in this hard drive right now to keep it all. I ain't gonna lie, 406 Trader. I saw that ad and I was like, damn, I gotta do an ad. But I'm not gonna buy a Lambo or rent a Lambo for it. I know his aren't rented. I'm definitely not gonna buy one. Not for an ad. If I bought one, I'm a straight shooter with you. The day I buy one, I'm probably gonna keep it for like a year or two, and then I'm gonna sell it. Really, I'm gonna just sell it. I'm not gonna keep it for long. You know, why? Because I prefer to be on the water. My boat is like, it's Lambo money boat. I prefer that, but that, you know, people don't really. That's a very smaller or tighter niche, especially, you know, being oceanside stuff. Oh my God, Bushido, I love that. I went back to read it because I saw Boogeyman said that he liked what you wrote. He said facts, Bushido. And that's awesome. I think Mark Twain or Benjamin Franklin said it. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember all your lies. 100%, bro. Bro, there's enough trading rules in all these firms for me to have to be out here lying and then remember the trading rules from the firms plus remember my lies. That's crazy, bro. Hell no. Dude, if I have to lie that much to make a living and make a good living, no, it's not even worth it. That's crazy. Let me see if I can get into these payouts already. Okay, I can get into the payout, but apparently I have a 30% consistency rule violation. What the hell? Oh my God, by 1%, bro. I might have to trade these accounts again tomorrow. By 1%. 1.18%. That's because of the L I took today, for sure. I'll show you. Where's my screen? Oh. Somebody had a question, I think. For trading in the post market, what strategy do you use? I rely heavily on Bookmap and the flow very different. I have no edge, but looking for one. If you're looking for one, I'd say stay trading where you do have an edge and forget about this. Why even put on that stress for what? I wouldn't even be trading this session, which I already took a trade. I'm done. $200 and I'm done. If I wasn't streaming. If I was not streaming, it is 6:34 p.m. right now, I'd probably be grabbing a shower. But I trade exactly the same as I trade in the morning. Support, resistance, chart patterns. Nothing changes. Mr. Bond, yeah, you will. You'll have your boat. Break out another 1,000? Oh my God, bro. Nowadays it's more like break out another 2. I mean, they're not really an investment, but they are a ton of fun. Fun fact. I don't know what it's like to live without a boat since, let's call it 8th grade. In 5th grade, my parents bought a boat. It was just a bare hull. It's a project boat. I was in 5th grade. My dad and his friends put it together. I helped wherever I could. I learned a lot along the way because we worked on that boat from me being in 5th all the way until I was in 8th grade. In 8th grade, we started using it. By the time I graduated high school, in my senior year, I graduated high school, my dad gives me the title and the keys to the boat. He's like, it's your boat now. I ran that boat from that moment on, right? From I was 18 years old. I ran that boat all the way until I was like... How old was I, Jesse? Let me see here. Let me do some quick math. So until 2009. So I ran that boat until I was 26. I was going to say 24. I ran that boat until I was 26. Okay. I bought another boat. Still having that one, the red one. Still having the red boat. I bought another boat. As I was going down to the Keys to pick up the trailer for that boat, I called up my uncle. I was like, hey, yo, you want to buy my boat? Gave him a hell of a crazy, insane deal. I basically gave it away. He said, yep. So I went, I bought my new boat. He came, picked up my old boat, and I had my new boat, right? Boom. I was 26 years old when I bought that boat. Okay, so now Okay, so when I was 40, I'm 42. When I was 40, I bought my new boat that I have now, the big one, the catamaran. I bought the cat, still having my other boat. And I put my other boat in front of the house for sale until it sold. Sold that one for nearly $70,000, $69,500. Sold it, kept my new boat. So, and now I have another boat on top of that. I have a small bay boat that I added to the fleet. So since I don't know what it's like to not have a boat, not even as an adult, nothing. I've always had a boat. That is crazy to say. 1%, my man. Which trade copier to use? Trade of 8. The Trade of 8 and native trade copier. How fast does Apex pay out when you hit the day 5? What? I don't know. Really fast. People, I mean, the new stuff just came out. Some people are saying that it happens within minutes. I come from a great family, and I'm not talking about we don't come from money, right? We don't. Middle class, normal people. I have gapped that up over the last few years to a point where I talk to my old man and he's like he gets proud. But I come from a great family. Lots of love, lots of support. No, Bushido, no, I wish. No, brother, you don't know, bro. Oh my God, bro. We rebuilt the motors for that old boat at home. I learned what a torque wrench was by the time I was in 6th grade or 7th. You have your boat, man. Why not? Go out there and get it. I was born here in the United States. 25? Bruh, come on. You ain't gonna get an account like that. Could have said 35. Yeah, my dad was a Wall Street broker. No, bro. We don't have... I didn't come from money. Middle class, bro. We lived in freaking Hialeah. You know what Hialeah is? Look it up on Google. Go to Florida, put Hialeah. Middle class family, my man. My dad's an electrician. A badass one at that. He worked for the county for 1 billion years. Retired. Took his pension. Did his stuff right. Retired at 59 and a half. And if I would have came from money, I would proudly say it too. Some people out there that are afraid to be like, oh, I came from money. What people are going to think about me. Man, who gives a damn? Act right, have some morals, and guide your path. What are you talking about, bro? You know, just be proud of wherever you came from. If you came from money, be proud of it. Now triple it. If you came from no money, then be proud of that. And make something of yourself. Make something of the sacrifice your parents did for you. You know what I'm saying? How do you handle losses? I hate them. I freaking hate them. It's an emotional roller coaster. But over the years, I've learned not to blow up accounts and still struggle. Every once in a while, I do have a tilt session. Damn. That's because I got the hat on. If I take the hat off, you guys can see my bald ass head. I don't look 40. Vic, my pleasure, man. Thank you. Appreciate you. That's true, Bushido. South Florida. Miami. Boom Q. Time to make it unbroke, my man. Get on it. Nice, Bushido. Love to hear it. Ren, I'm glad you're here. Listen, what you're seeing here is exactly who I am 24/7. I wish one of my boys was watching now, but I don't think any of them are. One of them always does. If he is, Kerry, if you're out there, throw a vouch out there for me. Let them know whether or not this is who I am. This is it. You know, I tried, honestly. Last year, I tried in streams to put on a bit of an act. You know, trying to grow. I mean, I'm not doing this shit for fun. I'm not. I'd rather just be out there watching TV with my kid. You know what I'm saying? So I'm out here hustling, doing my thing. putting my trades on, putting my content out, right? We're not doing this stuff for gold stars. We all of us in here, we all work for money. And what you want the money for is everybody's different. I want it for freedom. I already have my freedom. I've had freedom for many, many years. I've been self-employed since I was 24 years old. But now I have even more freedom. It's stupid. Like, really. But yeah, man, you know, I just put on the damn streams and the content, and I enjoy doing it. Don't get me wrong. And I super enjoy talking with you guys in the chat. I remember when I used to stream and there was nobody in the chat, bro. The hardest thing in the world. Because you just be here talking to yourself on the camera, but I'm just talking to the camera. No one in chat. I'm like, what am I doing? But I tried to put on that act and didn't work. Didn't like it. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go back to being 100% who I am. Whoever likes me, they'll stick around. They'll watch my stuff. They'll hang out in streams. They'll hit the like button. Hit the like button. And so be it. And that's it. That's also why I started sharing the Bible verses at the end of my videos again. Well, not again, period, now for the first time. Because it's just me. It's all me. You know, oh, somebody's not going to like the Bible verse. Whatever. Bye. Don't like it. I don't care. Mr. Mod. Yeah, the beast, 100%. Trading with Jose. Been watching me since I traded options. Nice. No, I don't, Yusuf. I don't trade ICT. Support resistance. Support resistance and chart patterns. Let's go. That's all you need. Everything else is just repackaged crap. People are like, oh, supply and demand. Support and resistance. Repackaged to sell it to you as a course. I got courses. I don't repackage them. Do you know what percentage of cashing out instead of going to live is for? I don't know. I have to do a video on all the Lucid new changes. I might work on it for next week or the week after, because I'm trying to, like, I'll bang out some videos for next week, but I'm not trying to get too crazy in them, because this congestion just, it ain't it. Amen, Red. Chop markets? They haven't been choppy. They've been pretty good moves. I've been doing well. I did much better last month. Yo, let me go see if there's any more, if all these accounts are jacked with a 31% hit on consistency. So that's mean I'm gonna have to take a damn trade tomorrow. Oh my god. I'm not gonna do it now because I don't like trading now necessarily for this case. It's too tight. Let me see if all 4 accounts are jacked. All 5 accounts are jacked. If they are, I don't think they are. I don't think they are. Boom. All right, we're going to be able to get payout out of 1. Let's see if we can get another one. All right, all right. It's just 1 that's going to be jacked up. That's all right, we'll get it. Whoops, wrong button. Wait, you know what? Let me just fucking put you guys on so you can watch it. All right, winner, chicken dinner, Renacia. Send me an email. You want a MyFundedFutures rapid plan. The next 3 will be done differently. That's it for me just picking random winners. Okay, so Renacia, email me info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. Your MFF email address. And then come back here and tell me the subject. Did I spell that? The day trader. Yeah. Yep. God bless you. How do you join the giveaway? The next 3 giveaways will be done at random with a comment picker. Don't worry. I will let you guys know when it's time for that. Right now, we're going to see. Look, this one right here, this number 300. This one's the one that's not eligible for payout. See, consistency rule. Look. This is perfect, guys. Okay, so this was not eligible because of the 30% consistency rule violation. You scroll on down and look at it right here. It's today because of this damn loss I took today, $1,200 loss. We're at 31.18 consistency. Bruh. So I got to do what? I'm bad at math. Not really, but for this type of math, I usually am. I got to make like what? 20 bucks or some stupid crap. I don't even know. I don't want to do the math now. I'll figure it out later for tomorrow. Ugh, whack. If not, this would now it's going to be an $8,000 payout instead of a freaking $10,000 payout. But tomorrow we'll hit it. We'll fix it. You know, we'll get it fixed. And then tomorrow I'll put in for the $2,000, round it up to the $10,000 payout. Puts me at $28,000 on the month. All right. So we know 300 cannot do a payout. 299 can do a payout. 298. Can 298 pay out? Yeah. We got it. All right. So can 297 get us payout? Damn it, I clicked the wrong thing. Oh no, I can still click here. Oh, damn it. Consistency again. Bro, are you guys seeing it? Do you guys see how much? Are you kidding me? 0.24. What even is that, bro? That's like a tick. I don't know if it is. We're at $4,000 so far. So no payout, 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 no payout. Last one here is 296. Payout, please? Yes. All right, we'll put in for the 6,000, and then we'll try to, you know, drum up those last 4 tomorrow. Why? Why does trading hate me so much? I love it so. I really don't. I hate trading. Not really. I enjoy trading. But it is the best worst way to make money. Let's request a payout. $2,000. Give me my money. Let's put it in my pocket. All right. This was 296. All right, so we know this one is a no-go. 299 should be good to go. Yep. Request payout. Damn, bro, I could have cleared up my problems right now with that candle, that 3-minute candle. Are you kidding me? I better sign off before I do something stupid on those 2 accounts. All right, so we got, what do we got? I don't even remember anymore. No payout, payout. I think this was a payout, right? 298. Or are you a no payout? Payout. Let's go. $2,000. Whoops. All right, so that's 6,000 bucks. All right, that's 6,000 bucks. Let's go over here to the payout section real quick before we move on with the stream. Payout history. Yeah, 246. And we need 2 more that I got to fix the consistency rule on tomorrow. And we should be fine then. And then here are all the ones that were approved. All these were approved this month. So that's 18,000 plus 6,000, 24,000 on the month secured. I only need to fix that little 31% issue on one and 30.24% issue on the other. And then those should be a-okay for payout, I'd say tomorrow night. And then we're at, you know, 28,000 on the month. Yeah, 28,000 on the month. All right. And then I'm working on this guy right here. He's got 3,258 bucks, and we're 6 days in of trading. So tomorrow will be day 7, Monday will be day 8. If I can get it to 4,100, I'll take a $2,000 payout out of that one, and that'll put me at 30 on the month. But I'm not going to rush. I'm not going to push it. I had a really great day. That's the one I just traded right now. I had a really great day on that one today. I made over $1,000 in the morning, and then I just made like $200 now, right? So we're a little bit over $1,200 on that one on the day. So that puts me there at a balance currently of 3,475. I only got 3,258 here because obviously it hasn't updated the trade of this session, which is the new session that closes tomorrow evening. So yeah, there's no reason why, unless I really do something stupid, there's no reason why I don't make 30,000 this month, right? Made 46,000 last month. We're at 24 right now, so 30 is well within grasp. So yeah, there you go. Apex. People say Apex sucks because it doesn't pay. I don't know. They pay me pretty damn good, and they pay a lot of people in my audience pretty damn good. And not in my audience. You know, the other day somebody was telling me, oh, that Apex only pays influencers. I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? The biggest payouts, the majority of the biggest payouts out of Apex have always gone to non-influencers. You're out of here, Beast. All right, bro. Take care. See you tomorrow in the Discord. All right, Bushido. Take care, brother. See you tomorrow. Do I have a withdrawal strategy? Yeah, I see profit and I put it in my pocket. That's it. I don't care for buffers. I take out everything I can. You emailed me? I got it. I see it right here. I see your... Okay, I got it. I see your whatchamacallit, your subject line. All right, so we got 3 more accounts to give away. Copy trade 1 set of 4 and 2 sets of 5. And I'm currently trading 1 single, which is the one I traded when the stream started. Once that one is meeting the balance, give or take a few $100 of one of the other accounts, then I'm just gonna have 3 sets of 5. I could have all 20 accounts up. I haven't done it. But I'm going to, because I have more than enough evals to do it. I already have more than enough already passed. I just haven't done it yet. These are legacy accounts. Exactly. Thank you. Happy all the time. Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate it. We got that back last month and we got it this month. How long have I been trading? About 8 years. 20, you know, trading 10. Look, if you can trade 5 accounts at Apex, you're killing it. You know, if you can trade, you're killing it. $2,000 out of each is $10,000. Does everybody here make $10,000 or more a month at work at their regular job? If you do, then okay, get yourself 15 accounts. You know, get yourself 15 accounts, make $2,000 and then make 30,000. You know what I'm saying? Or get yourself 10 accounts and make 20. But if you're not making $10,000 a month at work, then, and you can trade, just get yourself 5 accounts, $2,000 a piece. It's $10,000. What are you doing? You know what I'm saying? In that case. Now, if you can't trade, if you know that you're not profitable, if you know that you still got a lot of work to do, 1 or 2 accounts, bro. Practice, you know, learn your stuff, hone in your craft. You know, if you get lucky and you get a month where you get a payout and you get yourself $4,000, yo, put that crap in your pocket. Be happy. Don't worry about, you know, me that put, oh, $46,000 a month. Who cares, bro? That's me. I've been doing this for 8 years. You know, oh, so-and-so put $200,000 in their pocket. So what? You think when I've worried about so-and-so making $250 in the month and I'm like, damn, I want to be that. You know what I do? I blow up my accounts. So I come into my month and I'm like, how much money are we going to make this month? I don't know. Whatever the market lets me make, man. If it lets me make $5,000, yo, cool, awesome. If I can make 10, amazing. You know, if I can make 20 or 30, whoa, let's go. That's it. If this month I don't make a damn thing because I just traded like garbage and we're red on the month, okay, that's fine. That's part of trading. Sometimes we're going to have red months. All right, let me set up the new giveaway. On this giveaway, we're going to take, what do we got? We got 3 more to give away. We're going to give away 2 accounts in this one. To 2 different people, obviously. Oh. Ah, my mouse. What time is it? Woof. Time is flying, I'll tell you. All right. Go here, comment, and a winner will be chosen in 5 minutes. It's an old stream. Go leave a random comment. And in 5 minutes, we will pick a winner. So at 7:02, we will pick a winner. Well, we're going to pick 2 winners. $90.80. I don't know how to read your name. I'm sorry. I'm loving that you're loving it. All right, so what's up? What do we got here? You got Luke 638. Give and it will be given to you, a good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over will be poured into your lap. For with the measure you use, it will be measured to you. Awesome. Amen. Thank you for sharing. Guys, those of you asking how to enter, I just shared that information. You can pass the eval, but you can't keep a PA past 1 or 2 payouts. Any suggestions? Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. It's gonna fall together. I can't tell you exactly what's going on there because I don't know your analytics. I don't know your trading analytics, but you're doing pretty damn good. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I hope it does go to 100. May I sucker go to 110. I need my puts to print. They're already printing, but they need to print harder. I don't know about that. And I did vote for him, but I don't know about that. And even though I voted for him, I got my beef with certain things that he's done and hasn't done. Yo, my pleasure, Carl. I've been feeling like a champion. Gold medal on me like a Olympians. Not just made me giggle cause look what we did. Didn't step in Paris, but we sound. Wherever you hear the sound of the trumpet. Oh my god, that's not it. Come on, man, that's Richie. You have me going. Oh my god. No, I don't. I flow. I blew that up. I don't even remember it. But I had it for a good while. It was like months and months and months that I had that one. Fun fact, apparently only 0.71% of people last year had a live account with Top Step. I'm not saying I'm an elite trader, but the math is mathing. I don't know. Boogeyman, I love all types of music, my brother. This is what is it called? Epidemic Sounds. It's a service I pay yearly, and it gives me royalty-free music. And then I just go on there and just make a playlist. I don't know if I can get you. I don't think there's a way for me to share this. I don't know. Oh wait, hold on. There is. Oh, hold on, guys. Hold on, I got you. Here you go. There you go. Look at that. Damn, man, we're getting techie up in this sucker. Any advice on Apex rules about not being end of day? I don't understand that question. What do you mean? Statistics don't lie. All right, Joy. Well, before you go, it is one more minute. Joy, one more minute, and we're going to run that one. And the winner has to be here to claim it. So if you left a comment on that last one, you're going to want to be here because we're going to run it right now in 1 minute.
If it's business, call me sir. Boots on, money con, I get to it first. Ride my way.
I don't know who that is. I am really bad with I'm really bad with names like that. I don't know. I don't know who that is. And honestly, all full transparency, I don't listen to a whole lot of secular music on the radio. So like when you get in the car, it's usually a Christian station that's a local station down here. And of course it's contemporary Christian music, you know, so it's everything. It's rock, rap, everything. So I'm not really up to date with a lot of the new artists. And if you go back to like, you know, high school 2002, you know, we were listening to Nelly and Crazy Bone and Bone Thugs and Harmony, you know, we were listening to Ja Rule, etc. So different era. I really don't know modern artists now, other than a lot of them look clowny as hell, bro. Singing all tough and stuff, looking like Big Bird. All right, time to do that one giveaway. We're still gonna have one more after this one. So let me get the YouTube comment picker. All right, let me put it here. All right, we're gonna get 2 winners from this one. So first winner up to bat. Oh, I can just do it right here. Boom, perfect. Let's go. All right. Futures Gargoyle winner and K Plays Slot winner. K Plays Slot winner. All right, so both of you won. Oh, I can't tag futures. Are you not even on here now? Well, can't tag him, so I must not be here. Winner. Oh, okay, I see him now. Futures winner. Email me info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. Your MFF email address. What'll happen is at the end of the stream, I'm gonna get all these email addresses. I'm gonna send them to MyFundedFutures, and they will add the accounts to you guys. Obviously, that's not gonna happen tonight. Let me catch up with chat real quick here, see if there's anything else. What I'm missing here: Apex versus Tops. Take Profit Trader end of the day. The 50Ks are. There's no DLL at Take Profit Trader. Oh man, MyFundedFutures doesn't work in Taiwan. My bad, Joy. You didn't know, brother. All right, so I haven't taken any more trades. Show you right here. Everything's still the same. All right, we're gonna do one more giveaway for MyFundedFutures. You guys, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. Like big time it does. And share the stream on social media if you don't mind. That helps out tremendously as well. Yep, the next one, we'll do another random. I haven't figured out how to do it yet. Just give me a second. That'll be the 5th MyFundedFutures giveaway for tonight. In the meanwhile, give me 1 second because I'm going to drop another code for you guys. Okay, so let me get you the link. This is going to be whoever uses it first uses it. Here's the link. And Here's the code. This is going to be for $50 off any account at E8. Code is, there you go. It's apples to oranges. You can't really compare in that fashion. Take Profit Trader, which I love and I'm affiliated with, code all caps JESSEW, JESSEW. Intraday drawdown to an end of day drawdown. It's just not a fair comparison in no way, shape, or form. Now, as far as intraday drawdown to intraday, then yeah, Take Profit Trader wins because it's the same thing and you have daily payouts. You know, completely different animals. However, we fall back to the 20 accounts. Tremendous leverage at Apex. You're limited to 5 at Take Profit. All right, so what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna do another random one. I'm gonna post the link in chat. If you already commented here, you don't have to comment again. But if you're new to the stream, go here, comment, and a winner will be chosen. And this winner will be chosen in 5 minutes. Tevin, what's up, bro? All right, so go there, Jasper. Leave a comment. And in 5 minutes or so, we will go ahead and pick a new winner. Get some water. Well, guys, we already did the payouts. We took a trade. We did the payouts. I had to fix 2 accounts because of the 30% consistency rule tomorrow. We gave away 4 accounts so far. Guys, did you already send me the email? Speaking of those accounts, I don't see your emails here. Same video as before, so if you already commented, you don't have to comment again. Yo, what's good, fam? All right, we got 4 minutes left. Any questions while we wait for these 4 minutes and people to sign up for this last giveaway? Throw them up in chat. You got to set rules in place, Anthony. Like when I feel the FOMO kicking in or revenge trading or any nonsense like that, you know, I have rules set in place to get me out of here. Right? One of them is I got to get up, walk away, go outside, go play with my kid, do something away from the screens. I also have a rule, you know, that I basically transitioned my live account, like my rules from my personal account when I used to trade equities mostly to futures. So one of my rules was 3 strikes, you're out. In the morning, you have 3 red trades in a row, you're out, you're done. You can come back in the afternoon if you want and take a peek to see if anything sets up, but that's it. Also, a max loss of the day. Max loss of the day is very simple. It should be 50% of your biggest winning day. So if my biggest winning day has been $5,000, my max loss on a day should be $2,500. And stuff like that. Do I trade London? Guys, one of the ways that I trade Globex once in a while is I put on trades overnight. I'll just come on here. These are not levels. I'm not giving you levels here. I'm just sharing what I do. So I'll come in, I'll throw out some levels, and I'll be like, okay, bet there's resistance up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put, you know, a sell order. Damn it. I'm gonna put a sell order in front of that resistance zone, and I'm gonna put my stop well above it. And then in the morning I wake up. Right? In the morning I wake up and I'm like, okay, either I made a lot of money, I made a little bit of money, or I lost what I pre-planned, or no trade happened. I've had all of them. I've had all of those happen. Boogeyman, thank you, man. Risk management is everything when it comes to this stuff, man. If your risk management isn't on point, then it's game over. I mean, the only way to survive this as a newer trader is with proper risk management. And the only way to survive this as an intermediate trader is with risk management. And the only way to survive this mess as a professional, veteran trader is with risk management. The guy I learned the most from had been doing this for about 20 years. Good risk manager. So, I consider myself a pretty decent intermediate trader. I try to apply risk management the best. And whenever things get out of hand, I take a sizable loss, one that's exponentially bigger than my max loss on the day. It's because emotions got me. Because of that. I don't play Fortnite. I do play Apex Legends. 3 strikes, you're out. Studebaker, I love it. You looked at 25K? What? Capital preservation is key. It is absolutely everything when it comes to this. Those are your points. It's a point system. I don't care if it's your live account or if it's a prop account or it's your demo account that you're practicing in. You have 10,000 points in that account. So therefore you have to use them wisely. Futures Gargoyle. Hey Jesse, I sent an email. Let me know if you got it. Got him. I got both of you guys. Perfect. All right, got your emails. We only got one more to give away, and it's time to do that one. All right, cool. Let's go. Let's get her done. All right, so we're going to refresh the page. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the URL. Like a random YouTube comment. Oh, we already have the URL here. Okay. Wait. Is that updated? I don't know if that's updated or not properly. Let's just redo the whole thing. Okay, paste. Pick. Guess it was. Okay, volatility lens and Heva. Winners. Oh shit, no. We only have one account. Wait, let me do math. Okay, I can give it to both of you. Damn it, I messed this up big time. We just have less accounts for tomorrow. Okay. There you go. Volatility and Heva. Oh, is volatility here? Because I can't even tag him. What about Heva? Heva, yes. Winner. Email me. info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. Your MFF email address. Volatility's in the house. Do the same. All right, cool, guys. Okay, those of you who are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I uploaded a brand new video today. Check it out. I think you're gonna like it. It's pretty entertaining, so you can just put it on while you're eating dinner, before you go to bed. If you're like me, you put your phone up while you're taking a shower and you watch YouTube videos. You can do that too, because this is an entertaining video. And I also walk you through the dashboard on Apex and my payouts. Excuse me, as well. What else? Subscribe. I upload videos Mondays and Thursdays. I go live Wednesdays at 9:15 a.m. and I'm playing around with these Globex streams. I'm trying to figure out for a couple times a week to do a Globex. I'd love to do it on Sundays, but I can't commit to every Sunday. There could just be a random, I could just do them, and then there's random Sundays where I don't do them. Maybe that's what I do. I'll try one this Sunday, maybe. Especially in the summertime, you ain't gonna catch me on a Sunday on a stream, because I'm down in my other house in the Keys, and I'm probably gonna be on the boat, or I'm gonna be in Key West, or we're gonna be at the beach. We're gonna be out to dinner, etc., etc. So this probably won't happen on Sundays in the summertime. So I'm trying to play around with it. I want to do at least 2 Globex streams a week. That'll give me 3 streams a week, and that's it. Oh, Jesse, why don't you stream every day, like in the morning? Because I really focus on my trading. I do. My goal has always been to get my affiliate business and my marketing business to overtake my trading income. And there's been last year was great for that, honestly. And it did overtake my trading last year. Last month, it did not overtake my trading, because last month was a big trading month. That was a great trade. But I focus solely on my trading. You know what I mean? So I don't stream Monday through Friday in the morning because it's very difficult. I don't know how these guys do it. I don't know how they do it. Like I've missed so many good trades while I'm streaming on Wednesday mornings. It's crazy. It's really crazy, especially when you're trading momentum, you know, or a pattern. Can't do it. Can't do it. So, but these Globex ones are super chill. They're super cool. They're super laid back. Easy to do the giveaways with. Easy to answer your questions. Because, you know, I take my one trade. It's super slow, chill. And I don't know. I just like them more. So I think we're going to be doing those. Okay. Got your, well, I got one email here. What is your, okay. What's the subject line of the email you guys just sent? Give me your subject line so I know it's you. Hey, I want MFFU account in your stream. Okay, got it. Okay, I got it. Who was the other one? Heva. Heva, did you send me the email? Yo, Trainer 007, thank you. You did? What is your subject line, Heva? And am I saying your name right? Amen, Studebaker. Oh, okay. It should be in my inbox shortly. Got it. Wow, I almost said your actual name. Cause now your name, like, you know what that means in Spanish. I mean, at least if you're Cuban, you know what that means in Spanish. I've been saying it with an English accent, trying to be slick about it, because I don't want to let it on. Oh, crap. All right, guys. Happy Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, I'm in Florida. Tomorrow's Friday, end of the week. I can't wait for the weekend. I need a break. This week's been wild. And this cold and this congestion just has me absolutely insane. So we're going to cut this stream already here. Made some money on the trades. Gave away 5 MyFundedFutures account. Put up a video today. Your boy is done. Finished. Let me get you the Discord. Come hang out with me in the Discord. I'm on the Discord every day. Hold on. Invite to server. Copy link. All right, here you go. Free Discord. And I should have shared with you guys all the specials that are going on right now. So let me do that real quick before we sign off. Bang. Apex 80% off. Take Profit Trader with their standard 40. And we got Trade Day. All right, these are all the firms I'm working with. I don't work with any other firm. If you have a firm and you want me to work with them, like if you like a firm out there and I'm not working with them and you want me to, send them a message and tell them, hey, yo, you need to reach out to Jesse. And then I'll see. I had a firm reach out to me. I was like, nah. People didn't like them much. And their main complaint was their rules, funded next. And I was like, nah. I messaged them today. I was like, no, guys, I'm going to take a pass on that. Did Trade Day change their thing? Let me see. It might have. I don't see it on their website, so maybe. Try the code and see what's up. And then these are the last 2. Nice, Studebaker. Good luck. Hope you kill it. Rand, my pleasure. Claudio, what's up, my man? Peace. All right, fam. I'll see you guys.